So this is a small note from my side before we start the part 2 of day 1 of our Vadodara vlog. We have reached the Maharaja Fateh Singh Museum. It has paintings of Raja Ravi Verma and it has European, Greek, Oriental cultures, artifacts and their personal collection. But the photography isn't allowed again, but I'll give you the deets as soon as I come out. Bye. So this is how the museum looks from outside, and now you can see the counter where you have to deposit your phones. Hi guys, so right behind me is the Fateh Singh Museum, and the cameras aren't allowed inside. You have to keep it outside. They give you a token number for it. And one word which I can say is I was awestruck. It was such a beautiful time we had in there. There were paintings from various parts of the world, starting from, there were Asian parts, there were some personal artifacts as already mentioned from the Gaikwad family, and all the paintings, and especially special mention to the Raja Ravi Verma paintings, the effect of the light and shadow that was shown, and taking the time in which it was made. I guess it was really ahead of time then, and so much detailing was done. The museum is 10 on 10, and I suggest you all to come here definitely when you visit Lakshmi Vilas Palace, or if you are in Vadodara. And also my suggestion is come during weekdays, because we came around 4 o'clock here, 4:15, and the museum was entirely empty. We got like three of us were just roaming in the museum, and it was feeling like, okay, like it's our personal time in the museum. So I suggest come during the weekdays and come when it's about to close, so you get 1 hour is enough for the entire museum and you get your personal time. So yeah, that was it, and now I am here. This is the Flying Scotsman miniature train, and yeah, I guess this is all about the museum and the place. And now we are headed towards the Sursagar Lake for sunset. Overall, it has been an amazing day. Yes, our legs are aching and we are tired really, because we are awake since this morning, like 4:30. But I guess our hearts are really full, and so is our mind, and so are our gallery, full of images, full of videos, and full of great memories.
साथ में ही है। हाँ हाँ एक गेट से जाओगे तो जैसे मंगल बाजार, एक गेट से जाओगे तो मंगल बाजार। अभी मेरे फोटो को डालो, उसके बाजू में।
So now it was time for the sunset and at Sursagar Lake, and it was one of the most amazing sunsets because of obviously the statue. The water was so clean, and another very important reason is I'm from Kolhapur, and this lake reminded me so much of Kolhapur. So you can take me out of Kolhapur, but you can never take Kolhapur out of me. And this resembled so much of Rankara, and I loved it. So yeah, this was it, and then we headed to the evening markets where the rickshawala bhaiya guided us. After the sunset, we went there. So this is what we bought from the market. There were beautiful jhumkas, and we got some bangles for ourselves. And then we headed to this Gazra Cafe, which is by Sri Maharani Chimnabai Udyogalaya. It was a beautiful and very aesthetic cafe. You can see the images very beautiful and Insta recommended cafe. We had our snacks and chai at this cafe and just had a great evening. So you can see the information about the cafe here, about the building and the donations. And it's evening market. Again, Insta recommended Shri Ram Farsan, and this is called as mixed tum tum. So we just tasted this amazing श्रीराम टमटम वाला फरसान मिक्स दिसतंय. अँड गाईज द रिव्ह्यू.
खूप मस्त आहे. वर्थ ट्राईंग. खूपच मस्त आहे.
I absolutely loved it. You must come here.
बुंदी पण आहे.
It's very near to the Mandvi gate. And yeah, guys, you loved it, na? Fab. The lovely Sursagar Lake. This is Kajal appreciation post. She has made this beautiful crochet flowers for Vaishnavi's hair, and DM for orders, guys. I'm managing the business. Vaishnavi, are you interested?
हो, खूप जास्त.
50-50.
मनी मॅटर.
50-50. आर्टिस्ट को सिर्फ प्यार. आर्टिस्ट को प्यार. So yeah guys, this was all about today. We had lots of fun, but we are so very tired. We'll continue with the next day in the part 2. So till then, stay tuned.